Our next topic is advantage of PLC over electromagnetic relays. First advantage is the flexibility. A control system designed using PLC is very flexible and can be easily modified. PLC are controlled through the softwares, thus to change a process only a modification in the program is required. Pre-testing. A PLC programmed circuit can be pre-run and evaluated in the lab. The program can be typed in, tested, observed, and modified if needed, thus saving a valuable factory time. Third advantage, space requirement. PLC-based systems are very compact and can be installed in much smaller space. Reliability. The PLC is made of solid-state components and has very highly reliability as compared to mechanical and relay systems. Power consumption. PLC requires very less power for functioning as compared to the relay-based systems. Sixth is the maintenance. As the software programs are not subjected to wear and tear, so PLC requires very low maintenance. Only cable connecting to input and output devices to the PLC needed to be maintained. Installation of PLC is very easy. The programs can be entered even on factory floor by anyone who can understand ladder logic. 8th, physical components like the timer counters. Many components like the timers, counters, sequencers, master relay, etc. are implemented using softwares and no such physical device needed to be provided. Ninth advantage is the speed of operation. The operational speed of PLC is very fast. The speed for the PLC logic operation is determined by scan time, which is in milliseconds. 10th advantage is complex system designing and sequencing. It is very easy to design a complex control system and sequencing system using PLC, which may not be possible using wired relay system. 11th advantage, remote monitoring and control. PLC-based control system can be easily monitored and controlled from anywhere in the world using internet. Last advantage is the debugging. It is very easy to trace out problems in the PLC-based control system. Whenever any malfunction occurs, the corresponding message appears on the screen of the PLC.